over to Thomas Luth from Voith for a presentation as well. So go ahead.
Yeah, thank you very much. My name is Thomas Lüth, and I'm in the flow battery industry since 2013, and I'm happy to introduce you to Voith today. At Voith, we do develop sustainable technologies for future generations. This is one of our slogans. So please, next slide. And we do this now for the last 150 years, and I've included some pictures over here, and I will highlight the 1903 picture. This is actually the turbines from the Niagara Falls. So we are actually in renewable industry generation and energy storage with pumped hydro for now over 150 years. And in the next slide, please, we do see next slide, please. We do see a large lake. This is in Australia. This is in snowy mountains. Oh, sorry, not so fast.
You got it there?
Please. Yeah, now we have it.
I think there must be a delay between you and me. Sorry.
Okay, sorry. So we do see a lake in South Australia. This is this in the snowy mountains. And this is a pumped hydro power plant with 2 gigawatt and 360 gigawatt hour capacity. So we know how to build large scale storage. And on the next slide, you can see that at the moment, roughly 60%, John, yeah, thank you, of the worldwide renewable generation comes from hydropower, and roughly 25% of that is done with Voith turbines. And on this, so energy storage is, next slide please, is in our DNA of all the Voith people, and so we like to develop the sustainable technologies for the next generations. And on the next slide, you see that we roughly close to 20,000 people are taking care of and Voith of those technologies. Of course, not only pumped hydro, so we have 3 main business fields, but I don't want to talk about those today. But in general, we are a family-owned company with roughly 4.3 billion euros in sales annually. And at the moment, we will, on the next slide, we are working on combining the vanadium flow battery and the pumped hydro or the hydro power plants to the best solution for our customers. This does not mean that we see that flow batteries will replace pumped hydro. We do see this as an option where we cannot install pumped hydro, or where we do have fast reaction times. So we are especially looking for very large scale applications. And the left 2 pictures are from our lab. So we are at the moment testing intensively our solutions. And on the next slide, you will see our solution is based on a modular concept where we use modular vanadium redox flow batteries and will integrate them to very powerful high voltage flow batteries and have them grid connected with all the knowledge we do have from our hydro business. So we know how to deal with utilities. We know how to do large scale installations in the remotest place on the earth, because we've done this for the last 150 years. And in general, we have all these things in place to interconnect with all the SCADA systems of of the utilities, and of course, we do have cloud solutions available as well. But we do see a risk. On the next slide, please. And as John mentioned, we only talk about historical pricing, and so we see a very volatile vanadium price, and this can actually be a risk for the business and kill the business. And so we do see, as it is very important, that we will turn the electrolyte into a commodity, not only the vanadium. And we're working on standardization, and we're supporting all efforts on standardization of electrolyte to live or to implement the real circular economy on batteries and on vanadium and vanadium electrolyte. Therefore, we need standards. We need standards how to qualify used electrolyte to introduce them into new batteries. And this needs to be done over companies' borders, not only in just one company like Alexander mentioned earlier, but we do highly appreciate those efforts in general. And of course, lower prices on conversion and transport costs would be nice. We do see the vanadium flow battery as a very sustainable technology, very similar to pumped hydro, and this is why we are so interested in. So yeah, that's from now. And next slide, please. And thank you very much.
Great, thank you very much, Tomas. All right, I'm going to